All right, guys, this is the video I'm making for the quiz on Tuesday. Um, so you're given a graph and you're asked to find the equation in point slope form. So point slope form is y minus y1, okay, equals the slope, open parentheses, x minus x1, close parentheses. Okay, so you need two pieces of information. You need the slope and you need a point, a coordinate, x and y. All right. So to find the slope, I'm going to do two ways. I'm going to use the rise of a run and the slope formula. So which one you feel comfortable with, go with it. So the first one I'm going to do is the rise of a run. When you use rise of a run, make sure you pick 2 points that are not close to each other. Okay. So my first point I'm going to pick is where the line crosses the y-axis, which is right about here, and that is 0, -3. 0, -3. Okay. My next point I'm going to pick, I see the point crosses the graph right where the grid lines crosses. So, I call it pretty point right here. And that point is, I go across 3 and up, so it's -3, 4. This point is -3, 4. Okay, so if I draw my line, let's draw a line all the way down. Right, that gives me a nice triangle. So if I go rise, run. Okay, so my rise is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's going to be 7 over, and my run is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, what is my sign for my slope? Is it positive or negative? Look at the graph. The line goes down, right? Go from left to right, going from left to right, the graph goes down. So it's going to be negative, a negative slope. Okay. So my m is going to equal to -7 over 3. And since I have 2 points already, I can just pick 1 point. So I'm just going to go with the 0 -3 and plug that coordinate into the equation. And that will give me y minus, my y1 here is -3, so that's -3, okay, equals, my slope is -7 over 3, parentheses, x minus 0. Okay? Let me simplify that. The minus minus gives me a positive, so I can write it as y plus 3 equals -7 over 3. X minus 0 is just x, so I can just write that as x. All right? So I did this using the rise of a run. Now I'm going to use the slope formula. So let me find some space here. Okay, let's see, what can I erase? Okay, let me squeeze it in here. All right, the slope formula is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, and if I use the slope formula, I should get the same slope as rise and run. So let's try this. If I say my y, if I call -3 as my y2, use a different color. Different color. If I call that my y2, 4 as my y1, and then -3 as my x1, and then 0 as my x2. Okay? So let's plug it in. Y2 minus y1 is going to give me different color. It's going to give me -3 minus my y1 is 4 over x2 is 0 minus my x1, which is -3 minus 3. Okay? The top part gives me a -7, and 0 minus 3, that gives me a positive. So I'll end up with +3. So you can see that my slope is the same as the slope of the rising run. And you do the same process. Just pick a point and plug it into the equation, okay? You will see this in the equation. Make sure you understand this process. If you use rise and run, if the slope is going down, if the line is going down, then you know your slope is going to be negative. If, for instance, let me squeeze over here. If you have a graph and your line is going that way, right? From left to right, it's going up. Then your slope is going to be positive. If it's going the other way, right, then it's going to be negative. So if you use rise and run, make sure you understand your signs. All right, guys.